Did I go too far? Maybe, but I love it. So on a previous episode, we did a tutorial on how to decoupage this lamp base. And today I didn't stop there. I did the lampshade. Hit that like and subscribe button and let's dive in.
Hey friends, welcome to Twirl Craft Studio, where we turn everyday things into, oh wow, did you make that? Grab your crafting supplies, maybe a snack, and let's make something beautiful together. You know when you finish a project and you tell yourself, that's it, I'm done, I'm totally done. And then 2 days later, boom, the Mod Podge comes out again because your brain whispers, what if you just kept going? Well friends, welcome to the episode where I admit I have absolutely no self-control when it comes to decoupage. I did the lamp base, and today we're attacking the lampshade. Is it too much? Or is it just the right amount of fabulous? Let's find out. You don't need much for this magical transformation. Mod Podge, of course. A soft brush or sponge, your floral napkins or whatever pattern makes you happy, scissors, patience, bravery, and maybe snacks. Step 1. After you separate the napkin layers, apply a thin layer of Mod Podge. I always tell myself thin and even, but my brain hears go faster. So learn from my mistakes, thin and even. Step 2, place your napkin. Now this is the moment where you say a little crafting prayer. Lay it gently. Don't stretch, don't panic, don't breathe aggressively. Tap it down with your brush or sponge. And if a wrinkle happens, we call that texture. We're artists, we can justify anything. Step 3, work around the shade. I worked one panel at a time because rushing an entire lampshade is a guaranteed route to emotional damage. Oh, and because this shade has curves, I snipped tiny slits along the edges so the napkin would lay flatter. Look at me pretending to know geometry. Step 4, patch, blend, and fix things you don't want to talk about. Sometimes I cut out individual flowers to cover seams. Sometimes I smooth things with my fingers like I'm sculpting clay. Sometimes I pretend it all went perfectly on the first try. We craft, we improvise, we thrive. Step 5. Now I cut bands for the top and bottom of the shade. This really works to hide any imperfections and finishes the shade off nicely. Step 6. Seal it. Some people wait till the napkin is fully dry to add another thin coat of Mod Podge on top. I prefer to do it as I go. This is the moment it all looks cloudy and tragic. But then it dries and suddenly you're like, wow, I made that. I am unstoppable. Okay, look at this transformation. The base, the shade, the full matching set. Is it dramatic? Yes. Is it loud? Absolutely. Is it giving floral diva energy? 1000% yes. Honestly, my living room may never recover, but I'm not even mad about it. Now I need your honest opinion. Is this lamp too much? Or is it exactly the right amount of fabulous? Tell me in the comments. If you enjoyed this makeover, hit that like button, subscribe, and join the Twirl Craft Studio family where we do not fear bold patterns. We chase them